the mass m of an object is related to its weight and the gravitational field strength g, which equation shows the relationship. So weight is something which is a force, right? Weight is a quantity of a force, and force is represented in newtons, and according to Newton's second law, force is proportional to mass and acceleration, right? So whenever mass accelerates, now this is the key concept, okay? You have to remember it. Whenever there is a mass and it accelerates, there must be a force, okay? There's a force required to accelerate mass, right? Now, we are on Earth, and Earth is pulling us towards its center, right? Earth is pulling everything, every mass, every matter is being pulled by Earth towards its center. And that pulling effect is the gravitational acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.81, or to be exact, it is 10 meters per second square, right? So that 10 meters per second square is the acceleration due to gravity by which Earth is pulling every matter on it towards itself, right? And when the mass accelerates, there is a force, okay? And we all experience a force, which is our weight, okay? Which is our weight. And that weight is equals to mass times the gravity. Because why? Why? Because the force is equals to mass times acceleration. So the force that we have is our weight, and our weight is equals to mass times acceleration. And acceleration is because of the gravity of Earth. If there is no gravity, then you will be weightless, okay? If there is no gravity, then you will be weightless, just like in open space. So in space, there is no weight. However, there is matter, but no space. So we can go with W equals to mg, which is option B.